Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. Today I just decided to come and post a video that I've been procrastinating to do. If you want more details on the products that I used, most of them I bought them from Chinatown, but I will leave the link to the stamps that I used in the description box below. I know most of us cannot afford to buy branded packaging for our online stores, so I just came up with an idea to actually share how you can actually do it on your own while you save a few coins. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, you can drop them in the comment section below. Thanks guys for the support and for sticking by on this channel, and I hope you are going to enjoy the content that I'm going to be giving you. I'm going to try and post at least twice a week, and for all my lip gloss babes who are into doing lip gloss business, and however whatever beauty business that you are into doing, I am going to be sharing tips that are going to help you grow your social media platforms, that are going to help you grow your businesses, and will help us all learn together. So without further ado, let me not waste your time. You can just enjoy and watch. This video is just self-explanatory. It's just a way of me demonstrating how I use the self-ink stamp and the wooden rubber stamp in order to make sure that I put on the logo of my business onto the packaging products that I normally use. So I hope you guys like this video. Comment, subscribe, and you can also share if you have anyone that you know who is willing to learn, and let us learn together. I am grateful that most of you have stayed on this channel and keep coming back to the videos that I've posted before. I have been very demotivated to do anything, but now I am in a better headspace, and I'm sure that I can be able to provide value when I give you videos moving forward. So do stick by and do turn on the notification bell so that every time I upload, you are most definitely notified. Goodbye guys, I hope to see you on my next video. Much love, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.